Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for ChatGPT on your mobile device. If you want to create a new account or get started with ChatGPT, first of all, open the ChatGPT application on your mobile device, and then from the home page, tap on the sign up button at the top right corner. Now, click on the sign up button one more time in the pop-up. Click the continue button and follow through the prompts and start the sign up process. To create an account, go ahead and enter your email address you have access to in the text box at the top. After you do that, click on continue. Now, in the next field, it'll ask you to set your password for the account. Go ahead and enter the password that will be easier for you to remember next time you log in. Finally, click on the continue button once done. Now on the next page, enter your full name and then your birthday. Click on continue once you are done and you have successfully signed up for ChatGPT account. So that's how you can easily sign up for ChatGPT in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.